The abstract of a research paper. Hello dear researcher. Welcome to Research Academy channel. If you want to learn how to write a good and attractive abstract for a research paper, watch this video to the end. Let's go. An abstract of a scientific paper is a short and very condensed text, between 100 and 150 words, that represents the entirety of your article. It will give the first impression and evaluation of it. The job of the abstract is to highlight the main points in the research, and help the audience decide whether or not your paper is of interest to them. The abstract is the focus of the research paper because most journal editors judge manuscripts sent to them on the basis of the abstract, because of the wealth of research they receive, especially if the journal is famous. If they find it does not attract their attention and does not make a good first impression, there is a good chance that they will refuse to refer your article to reviewers. Therefore, the abstract has a marketing function for your research, but without cheating or bragging, and in an honest scientific manner. Moreover, even after your article has been published, the abstract will be the first, and perhaps only, thing that readers can access through online searches. They will only consider reading the rest of the manuscript based on its abstract. Of course, it is in the interest of any researcher that others see his article and cite it in their research. Which raises your H-index. The abstract comes immediately after the title page and the authors, and must inevitably not exceed 1 page. The abstract must give the substance of the entire article, so that others can understand your work, without lack, excess, ambiguity, suspense or boasting. The length of the extract is approximately 5% of the article size. The abstract should be written last since it will summarize the contents of your entire research paper. A good strategy to begin composing your abstract is to take whole sentences or key phrases from each section of the paper and put them in a sequence that summarizes the contents. Then revise or add connecting phrases or words to make the narrative flow clearly and smoothly. Before handing in your final paper, check to make sure that the information in the abstract completely agrees with what you have written in the paper. Think of the abstract as a sequential set of complete sentences describing the most crucial information using the fewest necessary words. So, the abstract must include 1. The context or background information for your research, general topic under study, the specific topic of your research. 2. The central questions or statement of the problem that your research studies. 3. What is already known about this question, the findings of previous studies. 4. Reason for your interest or necessity, rationale, objectives. 5. Your research. Why is it important to study these questions? Are you, for example, looking at a new topic? Why is this topic worth studying? Did you fill a gap in your previous search? Applying new ways to take a fresh look at existing ideas or data. Resolving a conflict within the literature in your field. 6. Analytical methods. The main findings, conclusions, or arguments. 7. The significance or effects of the results reached. Steps to prepare a good abstract. 1. Start writing the abstract after you have finished writing your article. 2. Define important objectives, hypotheses and conclusions from the introduction and conclusion sections. 3. Select the key sentences and phrases from the methods section. 4. Select the results from the results section. 5. Now, arrange the sentences and phrases identified in steps 2, 3, and 4 into one paragraph in the following sequence: introduction, methods, results, and conclusions. 6. Make sure that this paragraph does not contain no new information found in the paper, not on unspecified abbreviations, not on discussion of previous texts or citations, or on unnecessary details of the methods used, or on abbreviations not very well known in your field. 7. Remove all additional information. Review step 6 and then link your sentences to make sure the information flows well, preferably in the following order: purpose, base study design, methodology and techniques used, significant findings, summary of your interpretations, conclusions, and implications. 8. Ensure that there is consistency between the information provided in the abstract and in the paper. 9. Ask a colleague to review your abstract and check whether the purpose, methods and conclusions of the study are clearly defined. 10. Check if the final abstract meets the target journal's guidelines. Word count: one journal may limit the word count of the abstract to 100 words, and another journal may limit it to 150 words, and it is important that your abstract does not exceed the specified number. Also check the abstract type, recommended subheadings, etc. Now re-review the summary with these steps in mind. The other thing you can do is go back to some of the most interesting papers you've read during your literary review and imitate their abstracts. Abstract. While writing your abstract, you can use several tenses depending on the subject of your sentence. Use present tense while stating general facts. Use past tense when writing about prior research. Use past tense when stating results or observations. Use present tense when stating the conclusion or interpretations. Use present tense when referring to your paper. To receive our upcoming videos, please like this video, and subscribe to Research Academy channel. Good luck.